Welcome to U.S. Immigration TV, and I have a breaking news update about developments in public charge denials or refusals. So make sure you continue to subscribe to this channel as well as like and share with other people who you think could benefit from this news. So what is the news? On May 14, 2021, President Biden revoked former President Trump's proclamation of August 4, 2019, which would have barred the entry of immigrants unless they could prove they already had health insurance, or they could secure health insurance within 30 days of entry, or they had the financial wherewithal to cover their health care costs. Now, it was estimated that if Trump's proclamation had taken effect, it could have barred or prevented the entry of as many as 2/3 of legal immigrants. In fact, that proclamation could have easily prevented elderly parents or family members with certain medical conditions or poor people from being able to immigrate. So now, what does this mean for people who are planning to immigrate? And how can this benefit you or your family member? Well, in this video, I'll discuss how important this proclamation is. So make sure you watch until the end for all the information and details. Now, according to President Biden, Trump's healthcare proclamation, let's just call it that, did not, and I quote, advance the interests of the United States. Instead, Biden stated that Biden's administration is, quote, committed to expanding access to quality, affordable health care. Unquote. Now, this could be achieved without barring the entry of non-citizens who seek to immigrate lawfully to this country, but who lack significant financial means or have not purchased health care coverage from a restrictive list of quality plans. So what Trump had done is provide a list of qualifying plans, and basically if a person wanted to immigrate, they had to get coverage from one of those plans. Well, this is a welcome relief from Trump's restrictive policies, especially, when it came to public charge. Now, as you will recall, Trump tried to restrict people from immigrating if a consul believed it was likely that they would ever seek public benefits at any time in the future. In fact, if a 20-year-old immigrates, it's likely maybe 40 or 50 years from now, they could seek public benefits. Trump also tried to restrict people from immigrating if the petitioner had ever received certain public benefits. So with his 2019 proclamation, Trump wanted to make sure that people who immigrated could provide for their own health care coverage, and if they couldn't, they could be refused or denied a visa. Well, now, fortunately, we're going back to the policies on public charge that had been in effect since 1999. Now, of course, the petitioner must still give an affidavit of support and, of course, meet the poverty guidelines. But if you have a family member who's being processed for an immigrant visa abroad or outside the U.S., and you have any questions or issues about their eligibility, whether it's for public charge or any other item, I would strongly suggest that you seek the advice and assistance of an attorney. Now, I know a lot of people have an attitude of first trying it themselves, and then if they are denied or refused, it's only then that they want to go see an attorney. But once a case is denied at the embassy, it could be very difficult to get that denial or refusal reopened or overturned. In many cases, the embassy will immediately send the case back to USCIS, where it could possibly take years before you can be given a chance to argue your eligibility or entitlement for a visa. And during that time, it's all that lost years of the family being together. But still, this is great news, as it is one less item people have to worry about as a grounds for denial or refusal of a visa. Now, we will continue to keep you updated on the latest immigration news and developments. So make sure you like, share, and most importantly, press that subscribe button. I'm Michael Gurfinkel, and thanks for watching U.S. Immigration TV.